Hey everyone, welcome back. And today I will explain about how to use the Excel solver to solve the assignment problem. Yeah, in this problem there are three typesetter A, B, and C. There are three jobs. Yeah, R, S, and T that have to be assigned to typesetter A, B, and C. So each job have to be assigned with only one typesetter, and our purpose is to minimize the cost of assigning this job. So we already prepare the same table like you see in here, and then I put it all the total cost, yeah, which is the total cost in this field, yeah, which is the sum product of the above table and the below one. So you see in here the above table is similar to the original problem, and the below one is the table for assignment. So I put it in here an empty, yeah, an empty one. So it's mean that this field will be for our assignment. So I put it in total cost, sum product between the above one and the assignment one. Yeah, we put it like this one, and then for each row as well as each column, we sum this one like this. So we sum up like this one. This is also similar to B, and this is also similar to C, and this one also. We just simply sum it, and then let's see how to use the solver. I will call the solver here, and then what is our objective is? Our objective is to minimize the total cost. So I put it in here, and I select minimize, and then by the changing the variable, so the decision variable is this one. You see that highlighted in here. So the assignment one, the below table, and then what we should do in here is there is three what do you call it, the three constraint. The first one, we have to make sure that the constraint, all of this constraint is a binary. Yes, so you just select it from here, bin, in this case binary. It's mean either 0 or 1 value. So this is the first constraint, and then the second constraint is, then you see, yeah, you see in here that we put it that the sum, yeah, or the total in column, yeah, and also total in row is equal to 1. Yeah, so I put it in here already. Yeah, we put it in here, and then let's click on solve. Then let's wait for the Excel to do the magic. Let's wait for a moment. So it's calculating. Wait. Now we have the result. So the total cost, the minimum total cost is 25. So I press it OK. 25 with the assignment is T50 to A, and then S66 to B, and R34 to C, as you may see in here. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you will better understand about how to use the Excel solver to solve the assignment problem.